Welcome to UK Learnings. After watch this video, please subscribe to our channel to give us your support. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get upcoming videos. Good luck for your exam.
You're driving on a motorway in daylight. What lights should you use in misty or hazy conditions? Dipped headlights, side and rear lights only, hazard warning lights, full beam headlights. The correct answer is dipped headlights. It's important to be seen as well as be able to see. In conditions of reduced daytime visibility, you should switch on your dipped headlights. This increases your visibility without the risk of dazzling approaching drivers. You're following a large vehicle approaching a crossroads. The driver of the vehicle signals to turn left. What would you do? Overtake if you can leave plenty of room. Overtake only if there are no oncoming vehicles. Don't overtake until the vehicle begins to turn. Don't overtake when you're approaching a junction. The correct answer is don't overtake when you're approaching a junction. Overtaking on the approach to a junction is fraught with danger and shouldn't be attempted. Particular guidance needs to be given about the unusual course a large goods vehicle may need to take in order to negotiate the junction safely. Which lane should you normally use on a 3-lane motorway? Right, left, center, either the right or center. The correct answer is left. On a 3-lane motorway, you should travel in the left-hand lane unless you're overtaking. This applies regardless of the speed at which you're traveling. You need glasses to bring your eyesight up to the required standard. When must you wear them? Only in bad weather conditions. Only in bad light or at night time. Only when you think it's necessary. At all times when you're driving. The correct answer is at all times when you're driving. Drivers must be able to read a modern vehicle number plate from a distance of 20 meters. If you need glasses to do this, then you must wear them at all times when you're driving. What speed limit would you expect to find in residential streets? Mark 1 answer. 20 miles per hour, 25 miles per hour, 40 miles per hour, 35 miles per hour. The correct answer is 20 miles per hour. In some built-up areas, the speed limit may be reduced to 20 miles per hour. Where there are traffic calming features, the speed limit may be signed as a 20 miles per hour zone with no repeater signs within the zone. Where there are no traffic calming features, the 20 miles per hour speed limit is signed at each end of the street and with repeater signs in between.
Your support will encourage us to make more videos. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Which vehicle is most likely to follow an unusual course at a roundabout? Estate car, delivery van, milk float, long vehicle. The correct answer is long vehicle. Long vehicles might have to take a slightly different position when approaching the roundabout or going around it. This is to stop the rear of the vehicle cutting in and mounting the curb. Horse riders and cyclists might stay in the left-hand lane although they're turning right. Be aware of this and allow them room. You're waiting at a railway level crossing. What should you do if the red lights keep flashing after a train has passed? Alert drivers behind you. Phone the signal operator. Continue to wait. Proceed with caution. The correct answer is continue to wait. You must always obey red flashing stoplights. If a train passes but the lights continue to flash, another train will be passing soon. Cross only when the lights go off and the barriers open. How will a school crossing patrol signal you to stop? By pointing to children on the opposite pavement. By giving you an arm signal. By displaying a red light. By displaying a stop sign. The correct answer is by displaying a stop sign. As you approach a school crossing patrol, you may see two amber lights, one above the other and flashing alternately. This will be accompanied by a school warning sign. The school crossing patrol will display a stop sign, so you must stop. Don't wave anyone across the road. get impatient or rev your engine. The MO certificate on your vehicle has expired. When can you drive the vehicle on the road? You must arrange for the MO testing station to collect the vehicle on a trailer. You may continue driving the vehicle providing it passes the MO test within 1 calendar month. You may drive the vehicle to and from an MO test appointment. You can drive the vehicle when you've told your insurance company. The correct answer is you may drive the vehicle to and from an MO test appointment. Vehicles that require an MO certificate mustn't be driven on the road after the certificate has expired. Exceptionally, the vehicle may be driven to and from a prearranged MO test appointment or to a garage for repairs required for the test. How is overtaking in a one-way street different from overtaking on a two-way road? In a one-way street, overtaking isn't allowed. In a one-way street, you can only overtake on the right-hand side. In a one-way street, you can overtake on the right or the left. In a one-way street, you can only overtake on the left-hand side. The correct answer is in a one-way street, you can overtake on the right or the left. You can overtake other traffic on either side when traveling in a one-way street. Make full use of your mirrors and ensure that it's clear all around before you attempt to overtake. Look for signs and road markings and use the most suitable lane for your destination. You're driving on a two-lane motorway. What should you do if a lorry is taking a long time to overtake you? Slow down and let the lorry pass. Slow down and flash your headlights. Maintain a steady speed and let the lorry driver decide what to do. Increase speed slowly, so the lorry can move into the left-hand lane behind you. The correct answer is slow down and let the lorry pass. Large goods vehicles are fitted with speed limiters. This means it can take them a long time to overtake if the vehicle they're passing is traveling close to their limited speed. If a lorry is struggling to overtake you, slow down to let it pass. This helps the lorry driver and also other drivers following behind who want to travel faster. Where should you position your car as you approach a sharp left-hand bend? Close to the center line. In the center of your lane. Close to the vehicle in front. Well to the left. The correct answer is in the center of your lane. As you approach a left-hand bend, control your speed so that you can deal with any hazard safely. Don't move out to the center of the road to improve your view. This could put you too close to oncoming traffic. A vehicle coming the other way might be positioned on the crown of the road. You're driving along a two-way road. What should you be prepared to do if an articulated lorry starts to emerge from a junction on your right? Slow down and give way. Report the driver to the police. Sound your horn and continue. Squeeze through the gap. The correct answer is slow down and give way. Sometimes, large vehicles may need more space than other road users. If a vehicle needs more time and space to turn, be prepared to stop and wait. There are no speed limit signs on the road. What would suggest a 30 miles per hour speed limit? Double or single yellow lines, street lighting, hazard warning lines, pedestrian islands. The correct answer is street lighting. There's usually a 30 miles per hour speed limit where street lights are less than 185 meters, 600 feet, apart. You're driving up to a roundabout. What should you do if a cyclist, positioned to the left, is signaling to turn right? Signal the cyclist to move across. Overtake on the right. Give the cyclist plenty of room. Sound your horn as a warning. The correct answer is give the cyclist plenty of room. If you're following a cyclist who's signaling to turn right at a roundabout, leave plenty of room. Give them space and time to get into the correct lane. What color are circular traffic signs that give positive instructions? Red and blue. Blue, red, red and white. The correct answer is blue. Blue circular signs give a positive instruction. For example, turn left, or indicate a route available only to particular classes of traffic, such as buses and cycles. You're waiting in a traffic queue at night. How can you avoid dazzling drivers behind you? Use the parking brake and foot brake together. Keep your foot on the foot brake. Balance the clutch with the accelerator. Use the parking brake and release the foot brake. The correct answer is use the parking brake and release the foot brake. In queuing traffic, your brake lights can dazzle drivers behind you. If you apply your parking brake, you can take your foot off the foot brake. This will turn off the brake lights so that they can't dazzle the driver behind you. What color are the reflective studs along the left-hand edge of the motorway? Amber, white, red, green. The correct answer is red. Reflective studs are used to help you in poor visibility. Different colors are used so that you'll know which lane you're in. These are red on the left-hand edge of the carriageway, white between lanes, amber on the right-hand edge of the carriageway, green between the carriageway and slip roads. When should you flash your headlights at other road users? When letting them know that you're there. When telling them that you have right of way. When showing that you're about to turn. When showing that you're giving way. The correct answer is when letting them know that you're there. You should only flash your headlights to warn others of your presence. Don't use them to greet others, show impatience or give priority to other road users, because they could misunderstand your signal. What must you do when you're overtaking a car at night? Flash your headlights before overtaking. Make sure you don't dazzle other road users. Switch your headlights to main beam before overtaking. Select to higher gear. The correct answer is make sure you don't dazzle other road users. To prevent your headlights from dazzling the driver of the car in front, wait until you've passed them before switching to main beam. Why is it particularly important to check your vehicle before making a long motorway journey? The road surface will wear down the tires faster. Continuous high speeds increase the risk of your vehicle breaking down. You'll have to do more harsh braking on motorways. Motorway services areas don't deal with breakdowns. The correct answer is continuous high speeds increase the risk of your vehicle breaking down. Before you start your journey, make sure that your vehicle can cope with the demands of high-speed driving. You should check a number of things, the main ones being fuel, oil, water and tires. You also need to plan rest stops if you're making a long journey.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe UK Learning's YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get more videos. Your support will encourage us to make more videos. We wish you all the best for your exam.